Hello everyone, this is Technical Avantgarde. Welcome back to the fifth lecture of Arduino series. In the previous lectures, we had discussed some important questions one should know before starting this Arduino series or any electronic enthusiast. Then we turned off and on the LED using programming on Arduino IDE. Then we jumped to blinking. We blinked the RG LED which I have, so I have no option to explain that blinking LED using the normal LED, so I use the RG LED. And we discussed some important things about the breadboard, and I had sacrificed a breadboard for you. So today we will be discussing major thing like what is analog write and how we should use this analog write. We will be doing the practical on the analog write too today only. So let's begin this lecture. So what is analog write? Analog write value of the analog, if you want a value from 0 to 255. Why I'm saying 0 to 255? Because the Atmega 328P, the IC, the current controller IC on the Arduino Uno, which we are using for this series, is 8-bit microcontroller. So if you will calculate with your calculator, like 2 raised to the power 8 is 256. So if the starting value is 0, so it will complete the 256 digits after till 255. So the value ranges from 0 to 255 for analog. And if we see in terms of the electric or electronics, like if we will give 0, which means we are giving that pin a 0 volt, and if we are giving that pin 255, that means we are providing that pin a 5 volt, full 5 volt. And if we want to give anything, any voltage in between 0 to 5 volt, so at that time analog write comes into account. But like if you want to give some 2.5 volt, 3.3 volt, then you are not able to give that much voltage using the digital write. So analog write is the good thing to code whichever voltage you want to give, you can give. So hence analog values will have the range of 256 starting from 0 to 255, and 8-bit divisions, like I will segregate this 8-bit like 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. These all are 2 raised to the powers, like 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, up to 2 raised to the power 8. So 2 raised to the power 8 is 256. Now the question arises, which are the pins we can use for the analog write in Arduino Uno? So here's the answer. This is your Arduino Uno, and I'll be using the SMD Arduino Uno. Like I don't have this DIP. This is the DIP IC, like dual in package IC, and we will be using in our series SMD package IC. What are the pins? So you can clearly see the pins with kink, like pin number 3. If you have the Arduino Unos, then you can clearly see in your Arduino boards like 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. These are the pins using which you can code using analog write. Like you can give voltage in between from 0 to 5 volts. So these are the dedicated pins, and you can clearly see that PWM is written where these are the PWM pins. Also, we will be doing a detailed session on the PWM. I think it will be the next lecture. So in this lecture we will change the voltage and see how it will look like. So I think yeah, that's the schematic for today's lecture. Like we will be doing, like I told you, we will have to drop the voltage to get our LED successfully glow. So we will be using 330 ohm, and we will be connecting 330 ohm one leg to the pin number 9 of Arduino Uno. Then we will connecting the red LED, and then the negative terminal of the red LED, or the shorter leg of the red LED, we will be connecting to the ground of the Arduino Uno. So we should now jump to our schematic part, like physical schematic. We will draw. We will do that using the LED RG. I have the RG LED. I don't have the red LED. So we will be doing with the RG LED, but I will use the red part only, and the 330 ohm resistor with Arduino, USB cable, and the breadboard. So let's begin with the code part. So now we will be writing the code for this. This is the only code which we want to write. So yeah, I'll first explain the code. This is the pin mode. We will be defining the pin, and this the usage of the pin. Like we will be using the input, that pin as the input pin or the output pin. Then this is the analog write to give the analog value, anything, any voltage, any value in between from 0 to 255 or 0 volts to 5 volts. So this is the pin number. This analog write has the two parameters, that is the pin number and the intensity you want to give, like the voltage, if you can precisely say. So this is the pin number 9, and this is I am giving the 5 volt. Now we will be uploading this code. So yeah, this is your Arduino IDE. This is Arduino IDE is the software part, software, and this is the Arduino Uno board, and this is your USB cable, and this is your breadboard, and this is your this is mine RG LED, and this is 330 ohm resistor, which is I think orange brown gold, and you can buy from any electric shops. And this is the two wires. So I'll do quickly the schematic part, like the schematic I shown. Quickly I'll make that. Yeah, I use the red part of this RG LED, and I connected to the shorter leg to the this resistance, 330 ohm resistance. Then this 330 ohm resistance connected to the pin number 9 of Arduino, and this shorter leg I connected to the ground. Yeah, first way to select the port. Yeah, port 3 is already selected. Now we will go to upload the code. Now you can clearly see that the LED is glowing with the intensity of 255. Now I'll change this voltage to 0 volt, like 0 volt, and again upload the code. Now the LED will not glow. Yes, the LED is not glowing. You can clearly see that. Now I'll change a little bit voltage. Now if I want 2.5 volt, which is the half of 5 volt. Now I will give the value as 125. Now I will again upload the code. So now you can clearly see that the LED is now, the intensity of LED is now half of the 255 again. So I'll change to, if you want to see more dimmer LED, so I'll go with 100. And if you you won't able to see, the light is dimming because of the camera, but you can also, I'll change it to 5, which is the way dimmer than 255, 125, 50, 100. I'll upload the code. Now you can clearly see how dim the LED is, and how that value, that second parameter of analog write, is maintaining the intensity of that LED. Thanks for watching. If you found this lecture interesting, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any doubt regarding the last 4 lectures, including this lecture, then do ask in the comments. I'll definitely respond to your doubt. Stay safe, stay happy. Meet you in the next lecture.